चलिए जी आगे बढ़ते हैं। दिस इज 2x1 मल्टीप्लेक्सर। मल्टीप्लेक्सर हम लोग ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं ना सिलेक्शन लाइंस के अकॉर्डिंग। या let's see here what is happening. We have this input which is A, right? And then we have input as S. So we have declared. So first of all, we have created a testbench module, and we have named the testbench as testbench. After that, whatever the inputs were there, we have declared it as reg type. And after that, we have this is semicolon, right? And the output is wire type. And then in the next step, what I have done, I have taken the name sim whatever was there, and then I have declared okay UUT. Now we will be instantiating. So we have instantiated all the ports. We have A, S and Y. We have instantiated that. After that initial, okay, and then because we have a lot of statements, so we'll be writing inside this begin and end. Now see here, first of all this monitor has to be there because we have to monitor all the ports. So okay, we have A, S and Y, but A we have 0, 1 means A0 and A1 because it's a vector. So we'll be declaring it differently, like A0 is percentage B, A1 is percentage B, right? So we'll be declaring it separately. This is an important point here. Again, important point to note that if we have a vector, so we will be declaring all the units separately so that we can monitor it on the simulator. ठीक है जी? Fine. now you see here that A was 2-bit. Okay, then this bit is of A0 and this bit is of A1. Similar way as we have given, right? So हम उस तरीके से we are providing the value of A and we are seeing no, we are providing the value of A and we are also giving the value of S as 0 because selection line is also be there. See, this is basically a 2x1 mux. देखिए how it is working. This is a 2x1 mux, right? It has a selection line. तो अभी हम क्या कह रहे हैं? What we are doing here in this step, I am saying A0 is a 0. Okay, this is your A0, right? This is your A1. Okay, so what I am doing right now is I am saying A0 is 0 and A1 is 1, right? And I am saying that the selection line is 0. So we know that at this point of time when the selection line is 0, this 0 is going to be followed by this output. So we will get this 0 as the output. In the next line we are testing it for 1, 0. Suppose we have this and we are giving here 1 and we are giving here 0 and the selection line is 0. No, the selection line is okay, fine. Suppose we are testing this 1 and 0 and the selection line is 1. So obviously this is going to be followed here in the output. So output you will get 0. So for multiple combinations you are testing that whether your anything you can write, you can select it for ऐसा नहीं है कि इसको आपको इसके बाद वाइंड अप ही कर देना. आप चाहो तो इसके बाद you can also do, मतलब इस लाइन को लिखने के बजाय आप लिख देते 5 पे you can write for 1 1 I want to see for selection line 0. I can also want to check for this 1 1. तो किसी के लिए भी any input combination, any selection line, you can check this, right? And after that you can finish your stuff. ठीक है? Fine. चलिए जी. Next we are seeing this 4x1 multiplexer as well. I think ये भी आप everybody is familiar with 4x1 multiplexer, right? This was the Verilog code which we have already discussed earlier on, right? This we have discussed, right? Now, okay, 4x1 mux में we have 2 selection lines. So for those selection lines we have different combinations and we were selecting some sorts of outputs here, right? Fine. Now see here, we'll focus on the test bench part today only, right? Because our today's focus is test bench only. Now see here, first of all I have taken the name of the test bench and I have taken the name of the module as test bench because a dummy test bench हमें create करना. ऐसा नहीं test bench ही लेना है. आप अपने टेस्ट बेंच का नाम टीवी रखना चाहते हो रख लो, टीवी1 रख लो. आप अपने टेस्ट बेंच का नाम कुछ भी रख सकते हो, एनी नेम यू वांट टू टेक फॉर योर टेस्ट बेंच, बस यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड ओके दिस इज माय टेस्ट बेंच. ओके फाइन. नाउ जो भी हमारे पास इनपुट्स थे, लाइक हमारे पास 4 इनपुट्स वर देयर, राइट? So A के फॉर्म में, so reg type, and then yes selection lines were 2, so that was also input, and then wire y. Fine. Okay, now this 4x1 mux and this, okay fine, I have taken the name as it is. जो भी था मैंने डेटा फ्लो मॉडलिंग का यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम लिया है तो वही लिया है, and then UUT, and then I have taken this explicit association. अच्छा, explicit association में आपको हर एक वेक्टर को डिफरेंटली बताने की जरूरत नहीं. लाइक किसी के मन में ये चीज आ सकती है कि मैम ऐसा तो नहीं लिखना है क्या? नो, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करना है आपको. गेटिंग इट? ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करना है. वेक्टर हो या कुछ भी हो, हम इसमें बस इतना बता रहे हैं दैट वी हैव अ पोर्ट A एंड उसमें सारी वैल्यूज आ रही है टेस्ट बेंच के ए से, ठीक है। ओके, देन अगेन we have this initial begin and then yes, what we have to monitor we'll be writing here, and after that we are providing the combinations. देखो हर 5 सेकंड पे आई मीन हर 5 यूनिट टाइम पे हम कुछ ना कुछ कॉम्बिनेशंस दे रहे हैं। अब देखिए चलिए मैं टेस्ट करती हूँ, मान लीजिए मुझे ये फर्स्ट इनपुट को टेस्ट करना है। ओके, वी हैव अ 4x1, राइट, 2 सिलेक्शन लाइंस, 4 इनपुट्स, राइट। सी हियर व्हाट आर द इनपुट्स। अच्छा ये इनपुट्स किस तरीके से हैं, किस फॉर्म में, ए हमारा 0 to 3 जा रहा है, सो दिस इज A0, दिस इज A1, this is A2 and this is A3, right? A0, A1, right? A2 and this is A3, right? See here what is happening. अभी A0 पे what you have, 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0. You here you have S1 and then S0. What you have in S1 and S0, 1 and 0. So we know that for 1 0 what is selected, your I2 is selected, right? So जो भी ये वैल्यू थी this will go to output, so output will become 1, ठीक है। सो ये 1 आउटपुट हमारा सिमुलेटर से आ रहा है, ये नहीं आ रहा है, यही काम हमें चेक करना होता है। दिस इज व्हाट वी टेस्ट थ्रू टेस्टबेंच। ओके, आई होप बाकी सब के लिए भी यू गाइस कैन चेक, यू कैन वेरीफाई इट, राइट, फाइन। ओके, नाउ दिस इज 2x4 डिकोडर। दिस ऑल्सो वी हैव सीन कि कैसे काम करता है, ठीक है। whenever there is enable होगा तो कॉम्बिनेशंस के हिसाब से वो कोई भी एक लाइन पे वैल्यू को देता है, राइट, स्प्रेडर से एक स्प्रेड कर देता है डेटा को, राइट, ठीक है। ओके फाइन, चलिए जी अब इसकी टेस्ट बेंच देखिए। ओके, we have enable, we have inputs as A and B, so we have taken these as reg type, then wired, yes, because output was okay there Z, so we have declared it as what, as a wire type, fine. Then the name as it is I have taken, and after that UUT, because we are defining instantiation, so we'll write UUT, and then we have instantiated all the ports, whether see these 3 are input ports and this is the output port, then again initial, begin, end, इसी के बीच में you have to write every combination, fine. अभी आपके पास डिकोडर में what are the inputs, you have A, B and En as inputs, so obviously आपको 3 values देना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। whatever the inputs are there you have to give all the values, so that is the reason I have given every value like A, B and En. सारे inputs की value देना is very important, outputs की value तो you will be getting, so उसको नहीं लिखना है आपको, यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है, यहाँ पे all the input variable, all the input values of the variable you have to mention here, okay, fine. So I have taken this like 0 and 1. So if you see here 0 and 1, enable is 1. So if you see here, when A and B are 0 and 1, enable is 1, your output is, your Z1 is high, right, and rest everything is 0. So that's going to happen, that is going to happen, like for Z1 waveform it will go high, and for every rest of the things it will go on 0, it will be flat, right. So this way we have done it for 2x4 decoder as well. So fine. So today's task would be, आपको क्या करना है, सी मैंने टेस्ट बेंच आपको बताया है, what your action would be from your end, that you have to see, you have to write the test bench for full subtractor as well as 3x8 decoders. This is your task, okay, task for today. So okay, first of all इस चीज इतना जो मैंने लेक्चर आपको बताया, I hope आपको टेस्ट बेंच का थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ होगा, राइट, ओके फाइन। So for now, thank you. Okay, using both statements like case statements and if else statements. This is your today's task, ठीक है, ये आपको करना है and you have to analyze yourself. इसका आपको कोड भी लिखना है and along with the code you have to write the test bench as well, and you see yourself whether you are able to understand the things clearly or not. Okay, so fine. So this was all about today's class. Thank you everyone. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you.
So hello students, how are you? So today this is the last class for the this free Verilog classes. Up to 12 classes we will going to upload in the YouTube as well as in our application. But after the 12 free classes, you have to purchase our courses depending on the quality, whether you like it. You will get all the recordings in our application, pre-recorded sessions. Also you will get in the live sessions which will be taken by other faculty, different working faculty, right? So Firstly, you can download our app, VLSI for all app. It is available on the Play Store, Apple Store, as well as it is available on the website also, in the Windows also, right? So from where you will get the link to download it. So you can visit our website. If you want to talk to our executive, you can go to the free counseling. Here you can drop your message and our executive will be calling you within 2 days. Fine. Now next thing is you can go to the VLSI for all.in. VLSI for all.in. You can log in here and you can watch our free classes, and as well as you can watch the free classes and give the test series. But here you can't access the course. You can buy the course, but for the accessing the course, for paid course, you have to which is through the VOD. You have to just download the application, whether it is Windows application, application, or Apple Store application, right? So in the bottom of this website, VLSI for all.in, you will get the all the details: App Store, Play Store, Windows version, right? You can download according to the compatibility of your devices. You can download the applications, and let's say, yeah. So all the classes of this ma'am will be available in the application. So let's say going to the ma'am, you can also come. So all the classes of Shruti ma'am will be there in the application. So here I am opening this Windows application. It is a single login device. Once, whether you can log in through the application or one device at a time. So it will be automatically log out if you are logging through multiple devices. Fine. So going to the home. Here you will get the free courses. Free courses are available. We will upload the free classes of Shruti ma'am also here. Then we have the free test series, which is available for all the domains, whether it is physical design, digital, aptitude, now aptitude, also RTL design, RTL verification, CMOS, then going to the Linux scripting language, analog layout, computer architecture, microprocessor. Then we have the complete front end VLSI, complete backend VLSI, then complete front end plus backend VLSI tests are there free of the cost. If you are enrolled in any other coaching center and you want to practice the test session, it is free of the cost. Go to the test series and give the test and check your rank and check your level where you are and work on the skills accordingly. Then going to the analog design, C programming and Java basics, DFT domain. Then we have the STA basics, then protocols and the projects basics, FIFO and all. Then miscellaneous topics. I guess there are some. It is empty right now, but we will going to upload this thing also. So here, why VLSI for all? What are the PM courses, right? So right now we have different PM courses. Sorry. So it is an analog layout course, RTL and verification course, physical design course. After the physical design, we have the DFT advanced DFT course plus design. In this we will cover the RTL part as well as the DFT part. Then we have the referral program. Right now we are not purchasing the referral program till December due to the recession. But after the December, we will think according to the condition of the market. We will going to purchase it is accordingly. But right now we are not giving the referral program to the freshers. But for the experienced candidate, 2 years of experience, if we are thinking that they are capable, then they can go for us. But we will going to launch a free interview guidance program that will be free of the cost, but limited seats will be there. We will announce that program also very soon. Then free recruitment program that is for the companies, not for you. Now going to the next thing. Going to the next program is the RTL Ninja course. Verilog class will be given in the RTL and verification course as well as RTL Ninja course of Shruti ma'am. as well as in some part of physical design we will going to upload the basics of Verilog, because sometimes they ask the basics of Verilog in the backend courses also, but only physical design, not layout. For the layout it is not required. Then we have the star verification course, advanced star verification course, which is taken by different Tangesar faculty. Then we have the static analysis. Then we have the UVM classes. Then we have the star verification course. Again, this is basics, that is advanced. One is for the fresher, one is for the working experts, right? So two different courses are there. TCL master classes, Perl classes, Linux classes, then free interview guidance program. This is free of the cost right now, but it has a limited seats, like say 100 seats per month, right? So we will going to discuss this program very soon. Yeah, so you can purchase our course from here. You can directly purchase. The cost of this is 30,000 including a GST. So you right now we have 400 plus. Right now it is showing me 346 videos recorded session, 340 hours recorded sessions it have, plus live sessions, plus interview guidance. Lot of content is there, 360 hours, but we are just uploading right now. Around 500 hours content is there in RTL and verification. This is completing the RTL and verification in depth. Recording plus live sessions will be there. Some recording, some live sessions, and lot of things we are covering in this. You can watch the right. Okay, it is showing me this thing. Details you can see here. Digital electronics, Verilog theory, Verilog coding, Verilog interview classes, VSDL 5 mini projects, 2 major projects, 5 protocol based projects, two projects using VSDL, advanced topics of RTL designing like meta-stability synchronizer, CDC, linting, power optimization, clock getting, static analysis, aptitude, puzzles, 200 topics of 200 plus topic around it is estimated, but right now, like whatever it is important, we are covering from ADC, analog computer architecture, microprocessor, SOAPs concepts, assertion, system Verilog, UVM, with the 5 projects using system Verilog UVM, scripting language like Perl and TCL, one language is sufficient. Linux we are covering 5,000, around 4,000, 5,000 interviews question, resume building, mock interviews, quizzes, daily quizzes are there. 3M referral program is free of cost in this. Interview guidance program is free of the cost. Job assistance, it is not a job guarantee. If you are not attending the class, no one can give the guarantee even after giving you 10 to 20 lakh rupees of coaching center. So it is not a job guarantee program. If you are working hard, job is 100%. But we are giving our 100%. But you have to join the classes regularly. If you are not joining the classes, you are not going through the course, obviously no coaching center take the guarantee. It is just 100% job assistance with multiple offer depending on the terms and condition of the company. 24-hour access. Yeah, it is recorded sessions are 24 hours plus 24 into 7 supports are there. Job assistance and referral program is there for the product based company. It is through the referral program and best mentors we are giving. Okay. So this is the program we have. So the cost of validity of this program is not 100 days. It is 180 days. 180 days it is. Market is not working.
That one mark.
It is validities. Validity is 180 days for this. 180 days, not 100 days. So we will going to edit this thing. So right now, complete course will be both. You can. It is within 2 or 3 days. App will be 100% functionality will be there without automation. You can buy your course from the app. You can watch the recorded session through the app, which is 24/7 into access available. You can ask your doubt from the faculty through the app generate engine. You can see the schedule of the classes in the app. Everything is there through the app. So it is completely automation right now. So initial stage maybe 2 or 3 bugs may be there, but we will going to work on everything, right? So everything will be there. So you can purchase the course right now. Discount is going on for the coming next for 15 days. We are giving the discount like 20% discount we are giving right now. So around 20%, is not exactly 20%. So you can see like
Up to 20%.
up to 20% discount on the caliber of the student, right? Yeah.
See, it also depends actually. Sir has told you everything about the course, right? So, I mean, it has been clear to you that okay, the content will be there and everything has to be there. See, already we have come across, I would say that 40% of the syllabus we have covered for very long. See, through videos you have seen so far, whatever we have discussed. But as you know that whenever you are doing something, obviously the software implementation part is very much important. So that is going to come in handy. Once you join the course, you will practice with us. Okay, we'll have some, some minor projects, some major projects as well. We'll also work on something like memory concepts, and then there are a lot of things which are going to come forward in future. So if you are actually interested and you want to pursue your career in a good way here, so you can join our courses, okay? And as sir has told you that if you are joining, in the recent sessions also, so you'll be getting some discounts as well. And it also matters if you have caliber and you think that you can do something best in VLSI industry, just trust us that this is for you guys.
And also don't purchase the course directly. Go through the free sessions, and don't then only go for the course purchase, right? It is not like that you have to blindly going for something. Just watch the free classes, check the quality. There are so many free courses, right? So many free courses. 5 free courses are there. 2 or 3 courses are also running in parallel on YouTube. We will going to upload here also, right? So just go through the free courses according to the quality. If you are thinking that this is worth it, then go for it. Otherwise, you can go for other coaching center also. It is not like that we are all the only coaching center. You can go for other coaching center also. But without the coaching off campus, it is very, very hard, right? On campus, from the NITs and IITs, you may get some opportunities, but off campus, it is a little bit hard. For the NIT student, they can go to the free courses also. That is sufficient. Sometimes they are sufficient, but right now the session is going on. We have to go for advanced things also. And if you want stability in your job, go for advanced things. You can't run from the advanced things for a longer duration, right?
And if you have anything to say, to talk to us, you can directly contact us. And you have something, you can also comment on the video that whatever you want from us. So we'll be there to assist you guys. Okay?
Yeah.
So all the best, and then we'll meet soon.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. And we will cover the projects, everything we will going to cover in detail. We will going to launch the AI course very soon. So most probably next month we will going to AI and ML course are coming on our application. Some of the sessions like 5 hours, 6 hours sessions will be free of cost initially, right? So just stay tuned. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.